Liebherr refrigerator model HC1540 error codes. Liebherr 30-inch counter-depth refrigerator with 14.1 cubic feet total capacity, 3 cubic feet freezer capacity, 2 glass shelves, crisper drawer, right hinge, automatic defrost, Sabbath mode, Energy Star certified, ice maker, super cool, super frost, Star K certified, adjustable GLA. Error codes. Code F0. Problem. Informs about a problem in the biosensor fresh air. Code F1. Problem. The refrigerator chamber sensor has failed. Code F2. Problem. Malfunction of the evaporator sensor. There is no cold in the chamber, or it freezes. Code F3. Problem. Malfunction of the air sensor of the freezer compartment. Code F4. Problem. Malfunction of the evaporator sensor.